What's up, everybody? It's the Cebuano Shogun back with another video. So this time something came up in the mail right here. I can hardly even carry it with my left hand. So I'll be speaking again in English because sayang ang opportunity. So say hi to my boy Sekiro again. Anyway. So I got this from the mail, and it's from my boys from Manila with love. Shred Locker. Thank you guys for facilitating in my purchase with this very grand purchase. I'll tell you right then and there what it is. It's actually the Quad Cortex. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna unbox this shit, and we're gonna be checking out some things, and maybe do a bit of a sound test or something. So let's just see. So let's get to it, man. Let's go. Pardon me, I'm still in my undies. I just woke up from a very deep sleep from last night's gig. I'll just have you to know that this was filmed around December 24, almost Christmas Eve. So here it is, guys. We got our Gunpla knife here, my usual go-to knife when I open stuff. So this is it, the Quad Cortex. So here it goes. As y'all can see, I got the limited edition one. Let's just be pretty careful here not to damage the box, because you know we all keep them boxes. So sige go. Today it's like opening a treasure chest, right? Okay, let's lift this up. There you are. It's the Quad Cortex Black and Gold Edition. These things don't come by every day. So let's see what the contents are. All right, we got the power supply. Oh, for a MIDI cable. I think it's a MIDI cable. We got some adapters. Double-sided tapes for pedal board purposes. We got 4 of them. They also sent me a pick. I use Jazz 3s. Here it goes. The table. Oh, we also have the manual. Scan the QR for a quick start guide. Also have a QR code for that. And of course we have Quad Cortex stickers, Neural DSP stickers. We also have a clear one, and we also have the black one. It's quite heavy. The knobs are fully usable. Everything seems to work out. Chain with all the lights. So again, in the videos of other peeps, this part here should be touch screen. So let's check it out. Alright, here it is. So we actually booted it up for the first time, and maybe we'll try a bit of I'll try some amplifiers for this. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing one. Let's try some sounds. Let's see if it works, or let's see how really good it is. So let's go. So I got the Quad Cortex booted up, and I'm going through it to my Laney LV300 amp and my Ibanez RGD. This ain't the Prestige one, but it works very well. I upgraded it to Titan pickups. You know, we all love our periphery stuff, so that's it. So I'll be trying to make some tones for the Quad Cortex, and let's see how this goes. So let's go. We are in scene mode right now, as that's the recommended style for using the quad. This is how it sounds right out of the box. From my input in the input 1 to right here, output 3. So, sige. So let's try to make some tones out of this. So, still has that very noisy thing. So I guess I gotta put a well, we're in my room, so there's gotta be a bit of grounding here. So again, let's try. Right. So let's go with this one instead. It lacks a bit of punch, but let's see. I would go a bit higher on the mids, maybe 6. That's my usual, and the treble should be at 5. Presence should go up, and the resonance too. So okay. So I think we're gonna put a pedal here, high gain. Let's try this one. Gain. Let's turn it on. I think it's pretty wild for me, but let's try. I think I gotta do more research on this, but so you go, let's just try. Let's find another one. I'm actually going straight blind on just doing this review. So, sige lang. Maybe in the next video when I post this for my captures, maybe I could find a new, much better tone for my Quad Cortex. So as of now, this is I gotta make what I have. So sige go, let's just try it. Sige go. What is this? Sige lang. I guess this one's better suited for me. I don't have a right now. I don't have a noise gate yet, so let's try to put one. Let's see. Remove block from grid. Let's put it right here. Let's put a overdrive right here for guitar. So let's go with some booster. Something a booster. Obsessive drive. So let's try that. For now, but sige lang, let's find a gate or something. What is this? Let's turn it on. It's just too I think it's just too fun for me. It's just too woofy for me. open. So let's not do that. Let's have a little bit of gain. The IR loader is supposed to be last, but I'm using an amp, so I think that's not needed anymore. So I don't know if I'm correct or I'm wrong. You just put your suggestions in the comments. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. So that's it. Upper utilities. There you are. Adaptive gates. So pardon the reverb. I'm in my room, concrete room. So that's what I want, man. Overdrive. System drive. What is this? Gonna be doing it like how I usually do it with my pedals. I got one main drive and one boost drive. So let's see. Rodent drive. Let's turn this on. Wow, that sounds really good, man. It just sounds too bassy for me. So let's put I think I'm gonna put some EQ on this. So let's see. How about the Rage Booster? What does this do? It doesn't have anything else. Wow, that's Rage, man. So let's not use that one. Gotta delete this one. Let's try this. This is actually pretty nice. It's actually pretty nice. I'm loving it so far. But it has a lot of feedback though. I think I gotta add more gate for this. Maybe in the middle of the two drives. So let's see if we can. How about let's put one here in between the two. This actually is helping a lot. Just gotta put some EQ on it. So let's put it right here. No, I don't need no. I'm not Kirk Hammett. No high cut. Let's try this. So I still don't know what I'm doing here. I'm pretty much going in blind, but this is how it sounds for now. This is pretty decent for me. So, sige. So this is the tone that I so far got right, or seems to me that it's decent enough for me to gig. So I got the low high cut EQ, and I got the adaptive gate with 30% noise reduction. I got an overdrive right here. Oh, what was that? Drive right here, the green 808. So it's my boost drive. I'm just emulating my pedal board right now. So I got another drive here, the simple gate with 33.7 decibel threshold, and another obsessive drive right here. So yeah, and Paul's MT61 capture, and I also got guitar cab miking system going on. So that's that. I still don't know what I'm doing here. So guys, that's it for now. I'll be just studying this for a while. I want to get the periphery tones, if you know what I mean, the modern metal ones. I did get actually a pretty decent tone for now. So I hope you've been watching my first time Quad Cortex or first time using an amp modular. So that's it. So guys, thank you guys for watching Zip Wonder Shogun. If you guys have reached this point of the video, don't forget to subscribe, forget to share your friends and everything. I got more reviews, more life vlogs, travel vlogs, and some toy reviews and guitar thing reviews. So just the adventures of my carefree life. So sige, go guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, hit the notification bell on YouTube. So thank you so much to your favorite boy, Zip Wonder Shogun, and I'll be back on the next one. So see you there.